In this video we're just going to talk about shooting vertical video on the Panasonic GH6. So in a previous video we talked about shooting open gate. I'll link to that above, and sort of the advantages of shooting open gate and why that might be good if you shoot for various platforms. So if you want a standard sort of traditional 16:9 video, and then maybe 9:16 vertical for different sort of social media channels, and even square as well. And we sort of talked about why that might be a good mode to use. But if you're somebody that just shoots content for those kind of social media channels, then this is quite a nice option for doing that. So if you come into the camera menu, and then we want the cog, second one down on the left, and then the bottom one, the lens icon, it's the lens others menu. If you scroll right down in this menu, it's the last option. It's called vertical position info, and essentially what it does, when you're shooting on the camera, it's got the kind of sensors in there to know when the camera is tilted, and you can kind of see that when you've got the level gauge on there. So when you're tilting it, it sort of knows where the camera is in relation to where it should be. And what it will do is when you turn the camera to shoot vertical, whether that's on a tripod or handheld, essentially it will save that into the files metadata. And then when you get your files into the editing suite after, or even just view them in QuickTime or upload them straight to social media channels, because that's saved into the file, the video player or the editing suite, they know that that video is intentionally supposed to be a vertical video. So it will be saved as that. So when you open it, it opens vertically, and when you pull it into your editing suite, it pulls it in that way. So it's quite a simple little thing, because it's not that difficult to sort of pull horizontal video in and then just rotate it to vertical. But if that's your primary intention, to shoot it for vertical, then it's a lot easier to do that, because the video's all there. You don't have to rotate multiple clips and sort of just make it all work in the timeline. It will work as to how you want it. And obviously when you drag that first clip in, the timeline is then set to your actual clip, your clip dimensions, and you don't have to do all of that yourself. So it's just a nice simple way to be shooting vertical video. So hopefully that's helped. If it has, give the video a like. If you want more GH6 content, then please subscribe to the channel.